This is the second time I'm having this issue, and anybody who owns one of these bikes, if you have any idea what I'm talking about, if you have any idea, or if you think it's a valid a point that I'm making here, please leave a comment in the down description below. Because my first video that I made, that first video, I made a statement in there that when I was ready to go start a bike to just go for a ride, the bike will not start. And I was wondering, like, what is going on with the bike, you know? That got me, it got me worried for a little bit. I mean, there was nothing wrong with the battery because this bike is always on a trickle charge. This and the full-size bike, it's always on the charge. So I knew there was nothing wrong with the battery. So eventually, I keep starting and it killed the battery because it's not charging. There's no alternator or anything like that charging. Now, today, 2 weeks later, the same thing happened. So I have to go to the gas station again and then buy me about maybe $1 and then can put it in there. Once I put it in there, it started right back up. So if you have this bike and you know exactly what I'm talking about, please leave a comment. I think I made a short review and the reason why I bought this bike and the quirks, you know, the pros and the cons. And I wouldn't even say a con. It's just the, you know, the nature of the bike. This one right here is a carburetor, okay? And if you look at this switch right here, this is the switch to the fuel from the tank to the engine. And I always leave it here. I don't, you know, shut it off when I'm done riding. But I always leave it here, and I think for whatever reason, if the bike sits for a certain period of time, the fuel in here evaporate. But it's too funny because if you look at this bike, in order for you to get to the fuel, you have to, guys, listen, you have to take the key. You can't even just remove it. You have to take the key and then, you know, twist it, unlock it in order for you to get to the tank. So I don't know if I have some air leak around here, or let me leave it open because I need to fill it up. I have a very small gas in there. So I don't know if there is air going around here and evaporating the gas, or it's just the nature, or maybe because I'm not, you know, turning off the cutoff switch here. I don't know. So if you have any idea what is going on with this bike, please share with me. But I love it, and this is the second time it happened to me, and I'm just like, you know, I haven't even registered it. You know, I'm just riding it around in the neighborhood. It's not registered. They see me, they don't even bother me. I mean, I have my license, but I don't know. But I was watching a YouTube video and one guy made a full review. It went like 15,000, 16,000 miles on the bike, you know. And I don't even have 1,000 miles on this bike, man, because I rarely ride it. Normally, I'll be riding the full-size bike. So I love it, man. It's a little fun bike. You can do both on-road and off-road. And it's I don't know, but if you have any idea why this thing is doing that to me, just let me know. Now we're gonna buy some gas. And then we're gonna be heading out to go have some fun. Yeah, I don't need no receipt. And I always put 93 in here, so I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, or, you know, and it doesn't even take much to fill this little toy up, man. Just a little bit, and then you fill it out and you're ready to go. You know, so I already put look at that, it's already full. You know, but for whatever reason, anytime I leave the bike sit for a little bit, let me bring it here a little bit and see. Yeah, it's already full. Not even $2. It's already full. Look at that. Now it's overflowing. Now it's overflow. I don't want it to leak around here. There's a towel here. What's wrong with you, Grant? Let me just suck it up a little bit. Yeah, let me just suck it up a little bit. I don't want it to leak all the way here. But yeah, I don't know, man. Next time I'm gonna go start this bike, it's gonna be on a 0. Yeah, it's gonna go all the way down. It's gonna be gone. Like somebody is sucking it up. So I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna start turning off the cutoff switch. I'm gonna have to start turning it off. But look at that. It's very secure. So I don't know if there's some kind of air leaking or I just don't know. And it's driving me nuts. Again, this is the second time it happened to me, and I don't know, man. So let's hop on this bike and go have some fun. This thing is bothering me. Let me put this back in there. There you go. All right. So if you have one of these bikes, let me know, man. It's a carburetor. But once it starts, I'm good. You see how we started? I'm good. Yep, there's no problem with it whatsoever, man. It will go pretty much whatever that I want to go, it will take me. I can do on-road, off-road, whatever that I want to do. It just goes, man. I have zero problem on this bike, but I don't know. And as far as the Harley, I haven't even started for like almost, it's going on 2 months now. I need to take it for the service, which I haven't done that yet. So stay tuned for that. And also I have a few projects coming up, 2 years of ownership, and how much it costs you to own it. Pretty much I have a lot of stuff coming up, so just stay tuned for that. But it's beautiful, guys. It's a beautiful day. Ever since I moved to Georgia, this is the first year that we had the snow, guys. It was horrible. It was horrible, man. Everybody was, ooh, I have a bike coming. Let me see if he's gonna wave at me. Let's see. Oh, see, he didn't wave at me, guys. He didn't wave at me because I'm on a small bike. But if I was on my big Harley, oh yeah, you bet you. He's gonna wave it. What's up, brother? Keep your 2 wheels up. Man, get out of here, man. That is a shame, man. I don't know. I don't know what is going on. Again, I made a video. When you get a chance, I put it right here or over there. Just check that out, man. That was exactly what I was talking about. Anytime you're on this little bike and you meet another rider on a full-size bike, they don't want to wave at you, man. It was probably maybe 350 or something like that. But he feels like he's riding the bike more than I am. So they don't wave back at you. They're not friendly. I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know what's going on with that, man. But anyway, if you know why some of these full-size bikes, they don't acknowledge these small-size bikes, just let me know, man. But I think it's stupid, unless I don't know the reason behind it. So anyway, one thing that I want to talk about, though, is my channel. When I first started vlogging, like 90% of the content that I have here is vlogging, and few people were talking to me that I should choose a niche and make this like a strictly motor vlogging channel. And I said no, I don't want to make this I don't want to pick up a niche and strictly follow that, because the days that I'm not able to produce a similar or a production that align with my channel, that means nobody's gonna watch it. And speaking of that, I do a little unboxing. Sometimes I'll shoot in the studio, and I see that I don't get a lot of views, and it looks like people are more interested in me being on a bike than, I don't know. I just don't know. But the reason why I don't have a niche is because, number one, I don't want to stuck to one thing and one thing only. That I don't want to do it. Because like I was saying, ever since I moved to Georgia, this year was the first year that we got slammed with this snow. Even Florida, it was horrible. Like, I'm pretty sure you guys heard it. And you can imagine how people were driving here. People were just all over the place. People were abandoning their cars. It was a lot of accident. The road was so messy. It was such a bad. It was a rough day for 2 days, and this is the second time it happened. And I heard that we have more coming in February. So you can imagine if I want to produce a content and it's snowing and it's cold out there, I can't do it. That means I'm gonna leave you guys with nothing. So that is one of the reasons why I don't want to stick to a niche. So I can be very flexible and so do some talking heads in the in the studio, do some unboxing. I do some unboxing here and there, But let me know. And then number two, if you guys have watched my old videos, you know that I was involved in a very deadly crash. Technically, I wasn't supposed to be here, man. But I'm only here by the grace of God. I was pretty bad. I was messed up, in a very bad shape. I'm still in a bad shape. I was messed up. I'm just saved by grace of God. Look at this car. They haven't even moved it after the snowstorm. So some days my mind say yes, let's go for a ride. Come on, let's go. But my body said no. I don't feel like doing it because I am in such a pain. I'm in so much pain that I don't feel like doing it. So when those moments happen, I don't want to force myself. I mean, I love you guys, but I got to think about my health. I got to, take care of me, I have family, I have friends, I have job. I'm a normal human being, just like you are, And one thing that I stopped doing is pleasing people. No offense to that, because all my life I've been pleasing people, and it got me nothing, man. So I got to a point in my life where if I can do it, I'll do it. If I can, I'm not gonna do it. As a matter of fact, again, no offense, if I put up a video and I got only one view or what, I don't care. I don't care. If YouTube is my full-time job or something, I'm gonna be worried, because now what am I gonna do to pay my bills and some other stuff. So I'm buying all this equipment and all that kind of stuff, and I'm not getting anything back. I'm gonna be worried. But I do this for fun. I do this for passion. I do this as a giving it back, because I have learned so much stuff on YouTube, and all I'm doing is trying to give it back to the community, and everybody have their own style of communication or communicating to their audience. People have a different way of vlogging. They have specs, numbers, and all that. I don't do that. I don't believe in those stuff. I mean, it's there, fine, but that is not what inspired me to do what I do. Mine is if it's there, I go buy it and it works for me, I'll tell you. Because I'm just an average consumer, just like you are. Maybe you are just wondering, like, how does it feel to even own this bike? Because it's a Chinese bike, and most people hate a Chinese bike. They say it's trash, it's this and that, and it doesn't last long. Guys, one guy was doing a review on his, and he had 15,000 miles on his. Can you imagine? 15,000 miles on a Chinese bike. So the fact that it was created somewhere else doesn't mean it's trash. No, pretty much all the stuff that we have is from Chinese. It's from China, man. But most of us are so picky, and they wanna. I don't even know how to say it. If it works for me, oh yeah, I will definitely share with you. And if it doesn't work, if it's trash, garbage, I'll definitely tell you. That way, you don't go waste your money and pretty much waste your money, hard-earned money. So that's the reason why I do this. Like, I do it for fun and to help out if I can. Like, I have one of my subscribers. He had asked me to do a brake adjustment on this. I'm a little handy guy, so which hopefully I'll get a chance to do it for him when the weather started getting nice. But yeah, so let me know what you guys would love to see. Yeah, some days I really don't feel like let's go to the park here and have some little fun. Ooh, that was a little bit faster. I wasn't paying attention. Let me know what you guys think. What you want to see, But again, I don't want to be restricted to, motor vlogging alone, because, like I said, some days, my body say no. Like, I don't feel like doing anything but, just to get off of work and go get some Bengay, put it on my back, and go lay down. You know what I'm saying? Because that crash, it took my life. And I'm only here by the grace of God, and I'm pretty sure my family would love to see me hang around for a little bit, So I don't want to push myself, like, even though if I don't feel like doing something and, because of YouTube, I have to do it. And, some people will post like, I think this camera is dead. Gracious. Yeah, some people will post like, I don't know, every day, and no, I'm not here to do that, guys. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, man. Let me know what you guys think. And but definitely 2025, it's a new year. We have more stuff coming. We might see a new addition to the fleet. Pretty much, we have more stuff coming. So again, thank you so much for being with me, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you, and stay blessed. Bye.